Hello viewers, myself Dr. Senthil Kumar, working as a professor and head Department of Automobile Engineering at SNS College of Technology. In this video, I am going to share energy storage system under this battery charging system. So in this topic, why I am choosing this, as a viewer, you need to understand the basic concept of battery charging system. As we all know, battery is used for the energy storage system. So here there are different kind of batteries used, rechargeable and non-rechargeable batteries. So in this case we are going to use rechargeable batteries. Here any charging system, if you take any charging system like automobile, there is a three important component. One is the primary is generator, another one is regulator, then battery. So generator is basically producing a electric current by rotating the armature in between that permanent magnets. So the magnetic flux cut, and through that the electricity is induced in the windings, and that electron is flow and it is allowed to charge the battery. So this is the basic principle. So we are not directly charge the battery, so we are using a regulator. So regulator is to regulate the voltage. For example, if the voltage of the battery is low than the producing current, the regulator is permitting the battery to charge. And at the same time, if the voltage is very high, battery voltage is very high than the producing current, the battery current is flow in reverse direction. That means the current is flow up to the generator windings. So this should be avoided. So for that the regulator is used. The regulator is to regulate the voltage during in the both condition, while the engine is running at a very low speed and if the engine is running at the high speed. So look at this diagram. This diagram shows the typical alternator. Dynamo is used for automobile engineering, automobiles. So here there is a armature which is like a soft type, is mounted in between the bearings. That is a end ball bearing is used. So there is a cylindrical part in that. The magnets are fixed through that armature has been rotated. Now coming to this diagram, this is the armature. Basically it is made up of castans. So there is a slot is there. In this slot the windings are fixed. Mica is used to prevent the contact between the windings. So all the windings are connected with the commutator. So the commutator is always touched with the carbon brush, through which we can extract the power what are all the generated and that through this armature. And coming to this shunt wound generator, here there is a two magnets are used. Both are fixed in a fixed position in the cylindrical part. So here there is a winding called shunt winding. There is an armature is allowed to rotate in between the magnets. Once the engine started, the it rotates through which the magnetic field between the north and south pole is cut, and then electricity is produced and it is allowed to the battery for charging. So here there is a residual magnetism to start the generator operation, since it is not a permanent magnet. That means some of the electrons is flowing reverse back to the field winding. So that there is a loss. Always the 10% loss is there for this shunt wound generator. And look at this cutoff relay. Cutoff relay is used to prevent the higher voltage while the armature or generator produce more current. See, look at this diagram. There is a two kind of winding is there. One is current coil, that is a series winding. Another one is voltage, that is voltage coil, that is called shunt winding. So here in the topmost part, there is a spring action contact points are there. If the spring contact, that contact point is closed condition, the battery is going to charge. Suppose if the field coil voltage is increased, the center part of the core is energized and push down the contact points, that is armature, closely. Suppose if the voltage is very low, the power, I mean the magnetic power is reduced, so the contact getting released. So during the low running, I mean slow running speed, this will disconnected for avoiding the battery discharging. So thank you for watching this video. We will see the remaining part in the next video.